So now let's see how we can work around with Find Edges effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have an image, and in order to apply the Find Edges effect to it, I need to go around onto the effects menu, then go around over here onto contour, and over here you can see that Find Edges is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I can go around and change around the level of the edges right here. You can decrease out the level or increase out the level of the edges, as you can see right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go around onto solid, and then you get a more solid edge, as you can see right here, just like this. So what this effect actually does, it goes around and then adds in contrast to the edges area, and then you get a sketch-like effect just like this, as you can see. And this is simply how you can go ahead and work around with this. So you can change around the level of the effect, as you can see right here, just like this, and then you get the level of details right here, just like this. You can go around, make it much more softer or much more darker right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the Find Edges effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.